first thing to do in creating a peer-to-peer network, you must get the devices needed and of course the computers. So click the switch and select the generic switch. After that, go to the end devices and click the generic PC. Then get two of it. Next, go to the connections and choose copper straight through cable. Click the PC 0 and choose Fast Ethernet 0. Then connect it to the switch and select Fast Ethernet 0/1. Same with the other, choose the copper straight through cable, then click the PC 1, choose again the Fast Ethernet 0 and connect it to the switch and choose the Fast Ethernet 1/1. Orange color indicates that it is still not connected, so while waiting, we go to the PC 0 and select desktop. Choose the IP configuration and make an IP address. In this PC, the IP address is 192.168.8.1 and just click its subnet mask. Then exit. For PC 1, just do the same what you did in PC 0 but make another IP address of it. For PC 1, its IP address is 192.168.8.2. After that, we must check that the two computers are connected, so let's ping them. Click the PC 0 and choose the command prompt. Type ping and the IP address of PC 1. As you can see, there are data that indicate that PC 0 is connected to PC 1. The process is just the same with the PC 1, but the IP address that you will use is the IP address of PC 0. So that's it. We are done with constructing a peer-to-peer network. So let's move on to wireless network. So for the wireless network, it is the same with a peer-to-peer network. We need to prepare the needed devices and computers. First, go to the routers and choose a generic router. Second, go to the switches and click the generic switch. Third, go to the wireless devices and select a generic access point. Fourth, go to the end devices and click the generic PC and get two of it. So that's it. The devices and computers are complete. So with that, let's configure the router first. Click the router, choose config. Click the Fast Ethernet 0/0. Make an IP address. So for the router, the IP address is 192.168.8.10. Click the subnet mask. Then don't forget to turn it on. After that, go to the connections and select automatically choose connection type. Put it in the router and connect it to switch. Put again the automatic type cable on the switch and connect it to the access point. It is still not connected, so let's go first in the access point. Go to config. Choose port 1. Select WEP and make a WEP key. For this, the WEP key is 8877665544. It should be a 10-digit number. Then click the SSID to change its name. We use Villarin B. Then exit. Next, click PC 0. Turn it off. Then click this and drag it to the side. Choose WMP300M and turn it on again, then exit. After that, go to Desktop and select PC Wireless. Click Connect and refresh it. Wait until you see the SSID of the access point and then choose it and click Connect. Type the WEP key that you make, then click again the Connect. As you can see, there is a symbol that indicates that PC0 is connected to the access point. Let's ipconfig it. Choose static and make an IP address of it. Then click the subnet mask. Type the IP address of the router in the default gateway. Then exit. The process that you did in PC0 is just the same with the PC1. So for the last step, let's ping them. Click the PC and go to command prompt. Type ping and type the IP address of PC1. As you can see, there are data that indicate that they are connected. Same process again in PC1. Go to command prompt, type ping and type the IP address of PC0. They are connected. So let's try to ping a different IP address. Let's see if it will connect. So as you can see, it requested timeout. Due to that, this IP address is not connected in this network. So that's it. We created a wireless network.